So before getting into this video, let me just inform you that the giveaway is still going on. You can participate now. The links will be in the description. So let's continue. So this is the mini fan air conditioner box itself, and it costs 500 or around $8. And here it says it supports USB, and at this side they have given some information. You can pause the video and read it. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you what we get inside it. So the packaging is pretty bad, I would say. It's very cheap. So this is the mini fan itself, as you can see here. And its mouth is adjustable and you can adjust it like this. And this is the power on off button. And at the back, you get the power in port. And it also supports 3 AA batteries, as you can see here. And here is the fan, as you can see here. And this is the water container. Let me just open it. And here you get the USB to power in cable. And here you get some water absorbent polymers. It's usually used for decoration purpose. I don't know why they have given this. So let me just keep it aside. And as you can see here inside it, the circuits are completely opened. I don't know what will happen if water touches it. So let's see. So guys, let me just fill this container with water and ice. And I will be back. So guys, I am back and I filled this container with water and ice. And I also connected this mini fan with my power bank. You can also connect it with your computer's USB or with your smartphone's OTG cable. It will work with all. So now let's see how it works. So let me just turn it on. So this is how it works. So it's cool, but the fan speed is pretty low, I would say. So now let's run it on batteries and let's see how does it works with batteries. So let me just insert the batteries. So with the batteries, the fan speed got little reduced, so the airflow is pretty low. So now let me just connect both the power sources simultaneously and let's see what happens. So it disconnects the battery input and it only runs through USB power source, as you can see here. And I also noticed that if you tilt it a little bit, the water falls from inside, which is a very bad thing in my opinion. So overall guys, I would say that I have used it for a couple of hours. So is it worth to spend 500 rupees or around $8 on this mini fan air conditioner? So definitely no, because of 3 reasons. Number 1, the build quality. It looks amazing from outside, but from inside, the build quality is very bad. The water spills from inside and the circuits are completely opened. So the reason number 2, considering its size, the amount of airflow is not so high. It's just the plastic box with a built-in fan in it. So the airflow is very average, I would say. So the reason number 3 is its price. In this price range, you can get much better fan and it will be much smaller and much portable to carry. So finally, if I have 500 rupees or $8, I will not purchase this plastic box. Instead of purchasing this, I will invest in a good USB fan or a good OTG fan. That will work much better. Okay, so this is it guys. If you like this video, hit that like button.